I have no desire to try it.
Why?
Just don't.
I just want to try like
I don't mind spicy, but
not spicy.
are you gonna mix in the flakes?
What?
Hey, sit down and eat the food. You made me buy that. Oh, you don't gotta mix in the flakes though.
I don't.
You better get yourself a glass of milk first.
You don't have milk. You didn't buy any.
Oh no, that's not good. Why are you eating that then?
Because I want to eat it.
Oh, you're gonna suffer. What are you gonna put butter in your mouth?
No. I'm gonna drink this fucking water.
Oh my god, that just spreads the heat around.
I need to take a picture first. Just
When,
making sure I
hey,
don't.
if it's too painful, you stop. Huh?
I'm just making sure it doesn't like. They're steamed. It's burning hot. I'm gonna burn my toe. For noodles. So hot, like heat hot.
Oh yeah.
Like it doesn't even want to touch my tongue. It's like the steam. It's not spicy. You want to smell it?
I can smell it from here. It smells spicy.
And you thought those people were lying.
I like spicy, but I don't like, I wouldn't want to kill myself. Although that probably tastes good. How does it taste?
It's good,
Uh-huh.
but then when the flakes kick in, it's so spicy.
It is? Is it really that spicy? Have we had something more spicy than that?
Nope.
Really? If you're in pain, you don't eat that, huh? You stop. You might get a stomachache from that. If you eat too spicy food, sometimes you get stomachache. It's not worth it.
Okay. Oh,
And you don't-
noodles keep
And that's a
something.
lot, huh? You don't have to finish that, okay? It's really that spicy?
Yeah.
You know that stuff doesn't help, right?
It just did. Because it's sparkling.
You're really sweating.
I don't want to sweat to death.
You're sweating. But it's, you need a fan?
No.
Was it from the spice? Probably.
And the steam. And I don't think we should ever get these noodles ever again.
Just don't get sick, huh? You can't miss school tomorrow. If you have a stomachache tonight, I'm not gonna feel pity for you.
Why?
Because you want to eat this, so you suffer the consequences.
That's so mean.
No, it's not mean.
I want you to try some.
I have my salad.
Just a little.
Nope, I'm not gonna ruin my salad. You're already sneezing like you have a cold. Your sinuses are, well, I mean, what do you call it? Like sniffling.
You know, this is only 2 times.
Your sinuses are watering already.
This is only 2 times. And I've seen people eat 1 package of noodles with 8 times that spicy sauce.
That's
you put
terrible.
in.
Means they took 4 packages and put all the spice and sauce from them into one. That's terrible.
And you thought this was a spicy dad. And you know, one time Mom ate this for lunch.
Oh, Mom's had those noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, so if Mom can eat them, then that's no problem. You can eat more spice than
She
Mom.
said she couldn't eat them.
Oh,
Mom can eat more spicy food than me.
not me. I can eat more than Mom.
But Mom can eat more than me. You know those hot chicken wings.
Yeah.
I couldn't eat those.
Those weren't even hot. A little
They
bit.
weren't.
Not even a little bit. I ate them up. I didn't even get hot. I didn't need a drink. Nothing. You guys are wimpy.
It's delicious.
Does it taste good?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Good luck with your meal.